How to fix Telegram not loading images and videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. To check, open Play Store or App Store and using search icon and bar, search for Telegram. If there is update button, tap update and update it to the latest version. Once done, launch Telegram app on your device. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner and a menu bar appears where you need to select settings option in order to access settings. On the settings page, there are multiple options. Simply scroll down and choose data and storage. On the automatic media download, you need to make sure to toggle the button on for when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming as well. Once you have done this, you need to see whether your issue fixed or not. If not yet, you need to check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is slow, you can easily drop down this menu bar and this switch to mobile data or vice versa. Now, you can easily clear app cache as well. Tap and hold Telegram and the eye icon to get into app info section of Telegram. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. Once done, you can easily resolve your issue of Telegram not loading images and videos. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.